Hello everyone, I am Manisha Sinha. Welcome you to the video made for Standard 4 Chapter 2 Managing Files and Folders Part 5. Students, earlier we have learned about Windows 10 and its features starting Windows, the Start button. Today we will going to learn about the PC folder. What is this PC folder? Let's see. This PC folder displays the content of the computer's hard disk, CD or DVD or any other external storage medium such as pen drive. By using this PC icon, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving and copying files folders in a computer. Double clicking on this PC folder icon opens the folder as shown in the figure given. We knew that anything stored inside the computer is in the form of files and folders. Later we will going to discuss about files and folders, but let's know this much only, that anything which we can store in computer in the form of files and folders, and this PC folder display the content of the computer hard disk. Our computer have the hard disk, it display all the contents of the computer hard disk. If you insert any CD or DVD or any kind of external storage medium, storage device attached to your computer, and what are the files and folders it is containing, it displays the list of all those files and folders, such as pen drive. Pen drive is external storage device, I earlier only told you. By using this PC icon, icons are small graphical pictures. Okay, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. In our computer system, whatever the files and folders and wherever it has been saved, we can access and easily manage to all the files and folders. It is useful for finding any file. If you want to find, you can find it through the PC folder very easily, organize them accordingly, move from one place to another place, copy file folder from one place to another place in a computer. Double clicking on the PC icon, this will going to open the folder as shown in the figure. Here you can see the figure, the window will be opened and it is divided into two pan, left pan and right pan. Children, you can see over here in left pan what it is, here back button. One back button is over here. It lets you navigate to the previous opened folder without closing the current window on which you are working, on which window you are working. Without closing that, you can back to the previous opened folder. Here is forward button. After using the back button, you can use the forward button, again move to the current open window. Again you want to come to the open window, active window, what you can click, you can click to the forward button after using back button only. Okay, here is the up button. It takes you one step up in the folder tree. In the folder tree, whatever the tree it is shown over here, it takes you one step up. Navigation pan, through which you can navigate very easily. It is the left pan that displays the list of the drives and the folders. How much drives your computer have, one drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, any of the drive with the with their list. It displays the drives and the folders. Here we can see the address bar. It displays the complete path of selected file or folder. Any folder you select, it displays the complete path where it has been saved, in which file it has been saved, in which folder it has been saved, in which drive it has been saved. A complete address and complete path will be shown over here in the address bar. After that, you can see the search box. It allows you to quickly search files and folders in the current folder. Through search box, you can type any of the keyword and related to your keyword. The search box will going to work and it will display all the files, folders related with your keyword. Right pan. It displays the contents of the folder that have been selected in the left pan. It displays the content of the folder. Whatever you are going to select in the left pan, even if you select the C drive, the content of the C drive will be going to shown on the right pan. Ribbons. It contains commands arranged in the form of tabs and groups that are used to work with files and folders. It contains all the commands and arranged in the form of tabs like file tab, your edit tab, like that, and groups that are used to work with the files and folders. Whatever file and folder you want to work with, it is used to group and work with it. Thank you.